Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can delete multiple rows in your Notion workspace or in databases at once. So let us dive into this and guide you through it. Head over to your database or your page on Notion, for example. Let me go with that. Test database here. Let me give it a name. Test database, just like that. So what you want to do, guys, is, oh, there's a typo, sorry. So what you want to do is simply left click anywhere here below your table or your database, left click and draw a bounding box like that to select as many rows or columns as you like. And you will see also these checkmark icons to the left indicating how many rows you have selected. Let me click off and show you also option number 2. Option number 2 would be to simply hover your mouse here at the bottom or the top left corner of your table and to click into that checkbox here. And you will, by doing that, bulk select all of your rows of your database, just like that. So in the final step, guys, you will see the selection here and next to it that trash icon. So click into it to delete all rows at once. And there you go, as you can see. Let me undo that really quickly. So that's how you remove multiple rows on Notion. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.